What's up, guys? Welcome to another pre-vacation vlog because today I want to show you my nails design. I went and do my nails because I'm getting ready and closer to the trip. My vacation is coming. So as you know, I've been doing all my prep videos before the day of the trip. So stay tuned to those vacation videos so you don't miss anything. So if you're new here, consider subscribing, follow me. I always share and post videos about my life, my routine, everything that I do. I went to the nail salon and I was like, oh my God, what should I do? Should I go with brown? Should I go with pink? But anyway, I want to show you my nails and review. Look at these. Look at these nails. Nice. I love it. I love the vibe. The airplane. Yep. So yeah, I decided to go with strong pink and yellowish because I like these bright colors to go those places because it shows. You see, as you can see, look at this. Look at this. It show. I decided to do a nice hue design. Uh, some flowers. Yeah, so yeah, and the rest I just leave it simple, pink. I might change it in the yard, maybe after a week. I might change it. I don't know. I will see. Sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't. It depends if I have time or not. But anyway, so let me know in the comments if you guys like my nails design and my nail colors. Do you guys imagine my vibe, my Dominican vibe? Let me know. And also it's gonna look so fire with my swimsuits that I have a video for that. Go check it out. All my swimsuits that I'm planning to wear. And yeah, and stay tuned for the videos when I'm already wearing those swimsuits. So this is gonna be so much fun. I'm so excited for my trip. And yeah, I also want to show you a couple of stuff that I bought, some essential stuff that I bought for my trip. And yeah, that would be basically it. So let's go. All right, for the essentials, I have my Suave shampoo and conditioner. I'm gonna take this because sometimes I might wash my daughter hair over there. So yeah, so I'm gonna be using this shampoo and conditioner. Let's see. And I also had this nice scrub from Tree Hub. This smell wonderful. I want to have my skin nice and shine. So this is another product that I use a lot. I also have this pack of rubber bands for the hair. I have medicine in case I get pain or anything. And it's very important when you travel, take some medications. You never know. I also am gonna have some toothpaste because you gotta be clean. Yeah, also some razors because with the heat the hair grow and you gotta keep it nice and shine. So I'm gonna have some. I like also to use these soaps for just to put it in the luggage. That's a trick that I use. Not to use it, I like to use the other soap. It's called Dove, and I like to use all the body washes. But this one I use it to put it in the luggage, in the sides of the luggages, so my clothes smell good. And then I give it to anybody in the yard. And then I have my body cream, a little body cream that I have in the closet. So this is the sweet cherry. And this one is from Baby, the midnight rose. This one is a hand cream. So yeah, I'm gonna be using this. I'm gonna put in the luggage just to I don't want to carry. I have so much stuff and I don't know how I'm gonna pack. And this is the luggage, my big luggage. I already had a video about that. And this is another luggage that I have because this luggage is like 50 pounds. That's how much I'm supposed to have. And this one is like 70 pounds. And then I don't know how to weight it over here. So I'm putting too much stuff. So I want to take the 50-pound luggage, and when I get to the airport, I don't have to weight it. I don't have to take stuff out. I just go, drop it, bye. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna transfer everything from here to this luggage, And yeah, let's see how it goes. All right, guys. So I don't know which methods should I use because I have so much stuff. Should I use the folding method or the rolling method? Sometimes I'm like, for me, I feel like the folding method is easier, but I don't know. Let's see. And also, which way should I supposed to do this? This like this? I should try it like this, like putting all the stuff like this. I never tried it before, so I'm gonna do that and try putting everything that way and see. And yeah, I'm gonna eliminate a couple of stuff from here because it's too much. 50 pounds plus another book bag, and that would be it. I finished everything. I succeeded. I weighed 50 pounds. And yeah, so I hope you guys like, enjoy, and subscribe to my channel so you guys don't miss any video, any vlog, anything. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye.